Hey guys, today I traded my Mega Alley cat for Unmade Alley cats and a great profit. But I think I overpaid, so watch till end and tell me your opinion. Peppermint Penguin is decent, but I love these two megas. And already got pufferfish. What do you think? Big loose. I can get that for just one pufferfish. By the way, I just got this snowy mammoth from my bait. It'd say loose. New pets have good demand. Calum is also a really nice exotic mega. I really need Royal Corgi though. I regret trading my Corgi for just a turtle last month. Now it has surpassed parrot in value. This is the beauty of exotics. They can change their value from Gata and evil to a bat dragon, like Mini Pig did. Oh, nice offer. I would have done, but I only have one Calum Chervy. Already got sugar. I already have two. If you remember, I already got rid of my two wood pigeons cause they lost a lot of value, so I don't want another. Cub is rising value anyways. Not gonna lie, I would have taken this, but I already have it too. Would you do any of their offer? Pretty random, but why not? Also a kinda old trade. I think it is loose cuss exotics get overpaid. Though I love Dalmatian. No, no potion shadows are so rare. But also hard to trade. Will I regret declining? I was aging up my alley cats, so I was desperate. Oh, I had 16 pufferfish at that time. I regret now I have 14. I couldn't make another megalol. I'll try find more. Wow, old mega and old neons. Seems to be a win, but I don't think old pets have good demand. Oh my god, guys, what do you think? Diamond Hummingbird is a decent profit. Guys, in my opinion, it's a loose, but next day I traded the Hummingbird and some other stuff was a huge win. So I don't regret it anymore. I'll show you that trade tomorrow. Comment your thoughts. I appreciate you for watching my video. Bye bye. Why are you still here?